Good morning, students. I hope you are well. Today we are going to start subject computer chapter number 7. So take out your computer books and open page number 90. In this chapter we can understand what is scratch and how can we start scratch, and also we can know component of scratch and their working of spread and how to save and how to create a scratch programming in computer. Okay, as we know, computer is a electronic machine. They have no idea what we are saying. So computer have no idea, they are not human. Okay, it is a machine. So because computer cannot think by itself and you cannot talk to it like a person, because it is a machine, not a human. So when we work on computer need our instructions like our program. So you have give to them instruction to in special computer language that they can understand. Okay, that the language a computer understand only a few special language of its own, it's called programming language. Okay, so we can say the special language of computer that can understand by the computer is called programming language. Okay, which understand by the computer. One question will become in your mind, why we study scratch. For example, when we watch on TV some cartoons like Bhim, Chutki, and whatever cartoons you are watching on TV, that how they make the cartoons. So can you think? They are made by programming language and different types of instruction with a program with the help of scratch. With the help of scratch we can make a animation, video, pictures, and also a game can be make with the help of scratch. Computer can understand our instructions. Let us understand with the help of another example. Suppose Chiku understand only the following three statements: move forward and step, take a left turn, take a right turn. Then what happened? Now suppose Chiku has to go to confectionery shop to bring a chocolate. That means Chiku's target is go to shop to bring a chocolate. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to give them the instruction how you go. First step, we have to move forward from point A. Our starting point is A, we have start from here. Okay, then next step, leave for house and take left turn. Then we have to, what we have to do, then we have to leave four houses and take left turn. Then move forward and then leave three houses and take right turns. Again move forward and leave two houses and reach the shop. So what happens, we follow all instruction and we got our target shop to purchase chocolates. Okay, in the same way our computer works. Whatever we give the instruction to the computer, they work and complete our task. Similarly, the number of words and sentences that computer understand are limited. Computer can understand are limited. Okay, limited language, just like binary language 0101, machine language. Okay, then a programming language has a set of instructions are called program. What is program? We also repeated, a programming language has a set of instructions are called program. Okay, so clear, programming language is different things and program is different things. Okay, we have speak our language or language, but the instruction set of instruction are called program. The programming language has a set of instructions are called program. Okay, for instruction a computer performs specific tasks. In this chapter we will learn about one of the easiest computer language, that means scratch. Scratch is a computer language. So next video we can learn it.